Well, hello you. How are you today? I finally found some Goodwill grab bags that I think will be awesome. Fingers crossed. This bag is chock full of turquoise pieces, and I'm excited to see what we get. Real quick, let me thank all my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so you never miss one of our treasure hunts together. You know, turquoise is a difficult stone to identify. As we go through this bag, I'll try and point out what I know to be fake and what's real. I'm not an expert on which mine a piece may have come from, but I'll do my best to point out some key elements to look for when you're trying to identify turquoise. I'm also interested to know if you wear turquoise or maybe even collect it. Let me know in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you. So there we go. So some of these rings in here, I mean, look at this one. I'm trying to get up close there to show you. I mean, it's just a stretch band. It can fit on any of your fingers. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, there's another one. Look at the difference there. It does have that copper around the outside, but look at this. The one on the right's a little more greenish, and the one on the left is a little more blue. Now, turquoise can be blue. It can be more green. Look at that. Ooh. See, that looks nice. Not everything has to be, you know, real gold, real silver for it to just be a nice fashion piece. Go with your outfit. I like the. I love the color, the turquoise color. Now these pieces, obviously, first of all, you look at the material that it's set into. This is not silver, real silver. You know, and the other one was not a real copper or antique copper. So that's a big clue. Because real is inset into a real silver or gold, but a top quality material. That's a cute little guy. So anything you see that's not real silver, that's not going to be turquoise. You're also going to be looking at the veining. It doesn't look natural. See? It just looks like it's painted on there. It's like nice pretty blue, but the veining is it's hard to describe. It's just not natural looking. Also, if you ever see where the vein's going and then all of a sudden it just stops and then maybe starts up later, sometimes that is just the paint or the materials that they used to make it look more turquoise. It has rubbed off, like that second one on the left there. It's fake looking, but it's still pretty. I mean, look at how blue with the silver. It looks nice. Silver color. And you know, turquoise is a color. I think it's a December stone, like birthstone. That is really neat looking. It looks like hand hammered. The inset inlay. Nothing marked on the inside. That would be a good test case because that does look natural chips. But the red then doesn't, so that's one of those iffies. Let's see if we can pull something out here that looks... Nope, still, that is not real metals. Just looks, you know, unnatural. The veining. Sometimes there's even a backing on the turquoise. that looks kind of like a black. They usually, even with natural turquoise, they'll impregnate it with some kind of bonding material to help with the strength. So just because you see something in the back that looks like, oh, they've painted over it with something, that could still be real. That doesn't look like it's ever been worn. Definitely not real. Just unnatural looking striations there. I do like the silver though. It's quite heavy. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of older. Look at these. I think that's natural shell. Then you have these stones, these agate. Now here we go. Do you see how it's very natural looking? It looks like a stone that you'd pick up. That's way better. That's natural. Chunks. But again, that does have some materials that have been coated or, like I said, impregnated into it so that it's stronger. I think turquoise is 5 or 6 on the Mohs scale, so it's not crazy hard. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see what this mark is. What in the world? Look how tiny. It's hard sometimes when it's got a stamp that is not letters. I'll have to look that one up. See if I can find. There's not a lot of information out there, especially older pieces, which that didn't look older, but still. Leather band. Looks like it needs a little work. See, there's a piece missing. It's supposed to be attached at the other end. So there were some little stones on there. Always hooked on something. Oh, that looks natural. Could be. Oh, it's got markings on it. See it? And it does feel silver. It even has a hook there for a pendant to make it into a pendant. Nice. Let me see. Oh, CW. Okay, now we've got something to go on. And I can look that up. Hey, if you're an expert on this, feel free. Tell me, tell me what you're seeing. Tell me if I'm, on the right mark as far as certain pieces. I'm happy to get information from somebody who knows all about anything, this turquoise or any other pieces, vintage pieces, anything. Yeah, that could be real too. It does have some age to it. It's kind of an unpolished, unfinished silver, which makes me think that it does have some age. And then it's on a rope, so I'm not sure on that one. Couple different earrings. See the difference? That's a good example of the blue versus the green. That's interesting. Do you like the blue better or do you like the green better? I think I like the blue better. There's some green. It's like a blue-green, almost seafoam. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, that's so cute. This one has some weight on it too. Nice. Little toggle. That looks neat. I like that the detailing. And see how the piece, the marbling on the piece, it had more natural look. And this is just a simple little ring. No marks in there. I'm looking on the inside as I spin it around. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, can't even go on my finger. Oh, goes on that finger. Isn't that weird? Something fits on one hand, not the other. I have a cleaning, like solution on my hands so that I'm not getting dirt or anything from my hands on these pieces. Look at this. Look how strong this is. Okay, this is a magnet. That is hematite. The black stones are hematite. I would say that that is turquoise. But watch this. It's like, come on, open. So put that in. See, the whole thing got magnetized, which it's impossible to wear, especially if it's a necklace. It's impossible to wear it. It'll just keep clinging onto itself. Let's see, watch. It's really strong. I'm surprised I'm putting it over there. See this? How could you wear that as a necklace? It would just start, see, watch, it'll just kind of go back onto itself. Doop. You want it strong, but then the whole thing got magnetized, so that happens quite a bit. Look at those pieces. That doesn't even look like turquoise to me. You know what that looks like? That looks like some jasper or something. It's a nice color though. Nice dark green with some veining. Yeah, we're gonna set that over there. Get that off the board completely before it just starts pulling all the earrings together. Oh, there we go. Nice. There. See, that's again, that's not real silver. It's missing a piece right there. You know, if the turquoise is real, let's say it's inset into silver, real silver, and it doesn't have any veining at all, but it is real turquoise, that is like the top of the line turquoise. You're going to pay a lot more for those pieces. I forget which mine that comes from, but I think it's in the US. Yeah, see, that's definitely not real turquoise. You can also sometimes tell by the weight. Turquoise isn't super heavy, but you can tell when it's just a piece of plastic with that turquoise color on it. Look at this. That's big and bold. Wow. Oh, nice. That's neat. If you got long fingers, that's neat. Okay. Well now. You know, I must say this looks so pretty laid out on the table like this. So obviously we have more to go through, and I'll finish it up in the next video. But remember, I love to hear from you, so please comment, even if it's just, hi Marlo, so I can say hi back. Thank you so much for watching and being a subscriber to my channel. I post jewelry videos on Thursdays and Sundays, so please join me. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye you.